Hi everyone, I am here in Khorasan, in the region of Iran, to the far northeast, very close to the border with Afghanistan. I decided to make this video today because I've been exploring the area for the last week and I'm having such a fantastic time that I'm actually thinking about building a photography tour there. It would be a special kind of photography tour. Because of how remote the area is, I would like to make this photo tour a little bit more of an adventure photo tour, and I would like to have people who are more advanced photographers and ready to have some low comforts to join this tour. The area is fantastic, but it's very unexplored. The way we would do this photo tour is we would stay in lodges, and in some cases in some people's homes, some friends I have met along the way. So on the itinerary of this tour, what I'm thinking about is to start in Mashhad. Mashhad is the biggest city, the capital city of Khorasan. It's a fantastic place which is really famous for its holy shrine. It's very beautiful and the bazaar is fantastic. So it would start in Mashhad and take us then to Neshabur. Neshabur is a city close to Mashhad, which is very famous for its turquoise. It has the biggest turquoise mine in the world. And Neshabur is the starting point to one of the most beautiful roads I have ever been in my life. The road between Neshabur and Kashmar is fantastic, is phenomenal. I have been spending a day driving there a few days ago and I've had one of the best time ever, and this is one of the reasons why I want to take you there. So the tour will take us from Neshabur to Kashmar through this road, and we will then end up in Torbat. Torbat is the capital city of the saffron, and organizing this tour in October is to match with the harvest of the saffron. The area is also home to some of the biggest pomegranate gardens where we can see people harvesting at this time of the year. This tour would be, as you know myself, focusing on people photography mostly, but look at this. Yeah, there will be amazing, really amazing landscape photo opportunities, and I would like to take this opportunity to focus a little bit more on landscape given the kind of places and locations we will visit. I will be releasing this tour on Pics of Asia website probably by the end of December, and I'm hoping to be able to gather a good bunch of advanced photographers who enjoy the travel, who enjoy getting lost in this kind of completely untouched and unexplored locations with me for next year. Thank you everyone.